I think that the inspiration behind Ruhani was always to get back the soul into designs. It's about the mind, the soul, the passion, all that the designer puts into designs. This was the reason why I thought that Ruhani could be a fantastic opportunity for designers all over. So I wanted to create this place where we had the designers, where everything was taken care of. All she had to do was create beautiful designs with the sheer purpose of enhancing a woman. Because jewelry is created in Ruhani mainly to enhance the woman. Varuna Jani was an adornologist and she wanted to cater to the whole of the world, and just one sort of jewelry was not enough if she had to adorn the whole of India. That is the reason I tried to get the best of best talent from all over the country. I realized that just as a stylist recommends clothes on the basis of a body structure and face cuts and the personality, so even I used to basically recommend jewelry taking into consideration the psychology of style, the personality, as well as the face structure, the body structure. And I said, oh, I'm adorning a woman, so why not call me the adornologist? And that's how adornologist came into existence. And that's how we have different genres of all jewelry brands coming together in this magical place and creating the magic, catering to the client. And we also will have incubation, mentoring of designers, so we are able to serve full of India with best of best designs with the sheer joy of adorning and with just one single purpose of enhancing every single woman to look from a Devi to a Diva. Thank you.